Look at how beautiful you are.
Hey. No.
Yep. All right, what we're doing today is we're going skydiving. Just kidding, we're feeding some animals. I'm gonna try to get some smooches out of them. You know, I'm gonna get some kisses. These guys are a little aggressive, as you can see. I don't think they ate all day. Quit hitting your head, chill out. Taste it a little bit, come on.
You shall not pass.
I mean, dude, come on, you gotta get out the way. We gotta feed you. Oh, look at the lip, they're so little.
Bro, this is so scary.
All right, we're going for my first smooch. You gotta stop, you gotta stop.
Hold the cup by you.
Nope.
Ooh, denial.
Oh, wait, I don't get it. Hey, whoa! Getting rejected? This happens a lot, I'm used to it. It's okay. Gotta have a strong self-esteem to get constantly rejected like this.
Nope.
All right, here we go. Look, here's a lonely straggler, okay? I'm for sure getting kissed. Oh wait, just got a teeny head, I don't know. Let's see.
You got something against teeny heads?
Oh, just, you know, she means, come here.
Put the cup close to you. Oh.
Nope.
Oh, rejected again.
She was close.
She was thinking about it.
All right, pull the cup away, then try it.
Wait, this one's longer.
Nope.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Look at his lips.
You're so cute. All right, I'm gonna shut the door, buddy. I'm gonna shut the door. Right here. I'm gonna throw you some food on the floor. Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
You just slam its head in there.
Come here, you pretty bird. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Nope.
Please give me a kiss.
But you gotta put the cup close to your mouth.
No, then he's gonna eat it. He needs the cup, not the kiss. Come on. That's an aggressive kiss. I don't know if I want to kiss you.
Yeah, you might.
Nope.
No, that. You know you want it. Come on.
Is that how it works usually? Is that how you sweet talk him?
Never fails.
Nope.
Come on, please. Aww.
Place to hold it. Do it again.
They're too aggressive. All right, here we go. First kiss.
Hey.
Yeah.
Do it again.
I still got it. All right,
So
we'll try
dark.
again. Oh wait, come on, you gotta, you know, go gentle.
Hey.
Yeah. All right, you deserve a cup.
Fight! It's a fight, dude.
He's just trying to eat the cup.
You have to tip it up. Tip the cup.
Look at how beautiful this thing is. Where are you?
Pet him. Was he soft?
He's gonna eat the cup.
Was he soft?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, the big guy's back. Oh, you are snotting, dude.
Dude.
You are beautiful though, but you got a big snotty nose. All right, ready? Look at how beautiful you are. Hello again. Toodles.